Hi, this is Warren. I'm going to unbox a wireless speaker. It comes with many functions. I'm not going to charge your phone wirelessly. You can set up an alarm clock. You can set up a clock. Also, it has you be able to change the color on. You have almost 7 to be able to change based on your desire. So let me unbox and we can all of us see together what is in it. So very nice. And it came with instruction. I'm not going to read, but it's a small paper. I think that's instruction. I'm not going to go through, but let me just see how it looks like. Very nice. On the back here, it has USB here, and this one would be a micro USB, and this one is look like SD card. I'm not sure, but it's look like that. Also, it has a radio station capability on here. So we're not going to go through, but if you're interested, this is how it look like. It got the Bluetooth, and then that's the number, and that's how it look like in physical. So if you're interested, you'll be able to see. So let me turn it on and see what we're going to get in this one.
Power on. Bluetooth mode.
So now it's turned to Bluetooth. So let me see how you change. I'm learning as we go. Let's see how you change. So I'll be able to set up the time, as you can see, and what else? How do you change? Okay, that's how you change the color. So I think you use this. Defend. Very nice. And then if you want to charge your phone, so your phone is going to go like this. That's how. I think you have to turn on the Bluetooth. But this is will charge your phone wirelessly, so you don't need what they call a cable to charge this. So yeah, now it's showing. So when you put up there, you're able to charge it. I think you have to turn on the phone. Also has a USB on the back. If you want to put it, plug it on the USB, you'll be able to do it. So let's change the color again. I'm changing. You see now? Very nice. So yeah. Other function you'll be able to do it. Just the first time experience. But this is how you change from here, and we're changing it to, yep, it's very nice. Yeah, so you can just put in your office like this, and you're good to go, and then your phone will be charging. You don't need anything, and then you can use also music on this. So you have to set up the Bluetooth on your phone to be able to connect to this. But this is how it look like. This is how you change it from here, and this is how also turn it